Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by killing and restarting the Windows shell so the taskbar can reinitialize. Open Task Manager with Control plus Shift plus ESC, find Explorer. EXE, click End Task, this forces the shell to stop. Once done, use File Run New Task, type Explorer. EXE and press Enter to relaunch the UI. This resets many transient freezes because Explorer holds the taskbar process. Make sure to save any open documents beforehand, since ending Explorer can close some app UI elements. Next, repair deeper system components that control the taskbar. Open PowerShell as administrator and re-register taskbar / start menu components to fix broken app registrations. This repairs the how the UI loads. Then run sfc/scano to check system files, followed by dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair the image. These commands fix corrupted files that cause freezes. Also update Windows and your display drivers in Device Manager, because driver conflict. For final recovery, isolate user or startup conflicts. Perform a clean boot to disable third-party services and restart. If the taskbar works, re-enable groups to find the culprit. If issues persist, create a new local user. Profile corruption can freeze the taskbar, log in to test. As a last resort, backup files and reset Windows, keep files or remove everything. If problems continue, one key troubleshooting tip: boot into safe mode and run the above repairs to ensure minimal interference from drivers or apps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.